Alrighty, well, this is going to be my little demonstration of my alarm clock project. So first we're going to start with connecting to the USART. Then we're going to launch it. And then we're going to have a little nice, lovely menu pop up. So for starters, we should set time. And set time, we just need to type in S. And to set the time, you just need to enter a 4-digit number in the 24-hour format. So if I want to set it to 10 p.m., I would enter 2200. And as you can see on the LCD screen, the time has updated. So let's try setting it to a different time. Let's set it to 2 p.m. 30. So it's going to be 14:30, and it's perfect. Now let's try setting an alarm. So for alarm, let's do 2 p.m. 31 minutes. So let's do 14:31. And now we're just going to need to wait 15 seconds for the alarm. Yep. And as you can see, the alarm is working perfectly. You're gonna hear this little melody for a little bit and it's gone. Then the message is gonna stay there for a couple of more seconds and then it's gonna disappear. Thank you for watching my little demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.